Hi everybody, it's 7 a.m. here at Lunacy Productions and welcome to Bourbon Month. We're gonna kick it off with a nice little sip of Knob Creek. Like we do every morning, nothing's changed.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
It's always burned so much and it's so hot in my mouth, and then I don't know what to do after I drink it, and then I try and act cool and it never works out well.
Delicious, sweet, nourishing, intoxicating.
非常辣口，如果你不喝酒，不要轻易尝试哟。
Ooh, it's it burns going down.
You know, it goes down burning, but in the end it makes you happy, you know?
And it makes you feel better when it's cold out, and that's a plus.
Like sort of like I'm a fairy and I'm just flying through the forest and I'm tasting different barks as I go.
You know, you'd think that the ice cube would get the burning down a little bit.